Discover a revolutionary method to maximize your income effortlessly. Join us as we delve into the lucrative world of online advertising and unveil the strategy that promises quick returns. Get ready to turn your screen time into a rewarding venture. In the world of online opportunities, a purported method has surfaced, promising financial gains through the simple act of watching Google Ads. The intricate details of this process are elucidated in a video, where the narrator asserts the potential to earn $2.49 every minute. The tutorial claims universality, asserting its applicability in countries ranging from the United States and Canada to the United Kingdom, India, the Philippines, and beyond. The video introduces a website, later disclosed as cashbib.com, as the purported conduit for this remunerative endeavor. Allegedly, participants can accrue earnings by viewing ads from prominent brands, seamlessly integrating these activities into their daily routines. The website posits a referral system, asserting that users can earn $5 for every person enlisted through their referral link. Moreover, the tutorial explicates a method of circumventing the purported limitation of 5 ads per 24-hour cycle by advocating the creation of multiple accounts. The suggested strategy involves the utilization of temporary email addresses procured from tempmail.org, ostensibly to expedite the account creation process. The video encourages the creation of multiple accounts to maximize potential earnings, proposing a model where 10 accounts could generate $24.90 within minutes. The tutorial further evolves, advocating a bonus tip to enhance earnings. This involves engaging in social media promotion, particularly on Facebook. Users are advised to join public groups related to making money online and share their referral links, with the promise of substantial earnings through this expansive outreach strategy. The video even provides a template for a Facebook post, suggesting the inclusion of a payment-proof image from cashbib.com. The discourse shifts to the withdrawal process, detailing the various options available to convert virtual earnings into tangible financial assets. This video outlines 5 withdrawal methods, including PayPal, Skrill, Payeer, Western Union, and Google Play gift cards. Each method stipulates a minimum withdrawal threshold of $70, with a daily cap of $100. However, it is crucial to approach such claims with skepticism and prudence. While the video implores viewers to like and subscribe for purported withdrawal proof, it is imperative to exercise caution when confronted with seemingly lucrative online schemes. Such ventures often carry inherent risks, and their legitimacy should be thoroughly scrutinized before any commitment is made. The presented tutorial outlines a multifaceted approach to purportedly earning substantial income through watching Google Ads on cashbib.com. This video offers a step-by-step guide, from account creation to social media promotion, with the promise of financial gains. As with any online opportunity, individuals are advised to approach such endeavors with discernment and skepticism, conducting thorough research before committing time or resources. Benefits of online advertising and Google Ads. In the contemporary landscape of commerce, the utilization of online advertising, particularly through platforms such as Google Ads, has emerged as a pivotal strategy for businesses aiming to connect with their target audience. This video explores the multifaceted benefits of online advertising in general, focusing on the advantages of Google Ads. Online advertising presents a unique proposition by enabling businesses to showcase their advertisements to individuals who exhibit a probable interest in their products and services. This precision is achieved through a sophisticated filtration process, ensuring that the marketing message is directed toward a receptive audience while excluding those who may not find the content relevant. An inherent advantage of online advertising lies in its adaptability to the diverse array of devices that modern consumers employ, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. Google Ads, as a prominent player in the realm of online advertising, encapsulates and amplifies these benefits. One of its fundamental advantages lies in its capacity to target specific demographics and interests. This targeted approach allows advertisers to tailor their messages to individuals who have demonstrated an inclination toward their offerings. The arsenal of targeting options includes keywords, enabling ads to be triggered when users search for specific terms or visit relevant websites. Advertisers can also strategically position their content on Google search results pages and within the expansive Google search and display networks. Moreover, Google Ads provides control over advertising expenditures, allowing businesses to manage their budgets effectively. Unlike traditional advertising models, there is no minimum spending requirement, and advertisers have the flexibility to set monthly, daily, and per-ad budgets. Importantly, payment is contingent on user engagement, with charges incurred only when someone clicks on the ad. The measurement of success is integral to the efficacy of any advertising campaign, and Google Ads excels in this aspect. The platform provides advertisers with detailed insights into user interactions with their ads. If a user clicks on an ad and subsequently performs a valuable action, such as making a purchase or downloading an app, Google Ads tracks and records these conversions. This level of granularity facilitates a nuanced understanding of the impact of each ad, enabling advertisers to refine and optimize their campaigns for maximum return on investment. Crucially, Google Ads extends beyond mere click tracking by providing comprehensive data on the costs associated with advertising that leads to online purchases or phone inquiries. Analytical tools integrated into the platform offer invaluable insights into customer behavior, shedding light on aspects such as the duration of research before making a purchase decision. The platform's suite of tools for campaign management further solidifies its appeal to advertisers. For those overseeing multiple Google Ads accounts, the My Client Center (MCC) Manager account emerges as a powerful organizational tool. This centralized hub streamlines the monitoring and management of disparate accounts, enhancing efficiency and coherence. In addition, Google Ads Editor, a downloadable desktop application, facilitates offline management of accounts. This tool empowers advertisers to download account information, make offline edits to campaigns, and subsequently upload the changes to Google Ads. The offline editing capability, coupled with the ability to manage, edit, and view multiple accounts concurrently, epitomizes the user-friendly and versatile nature of Google Ads. The benefits of online advertising, exemplified through the capabilities of Google Ads, are manifold. From targeted ad placements and cost control to meticulous measurement of campaign success and efficient campaign management tools, Google Ads stands as a comprehensive solution for businesses navigating the dynamic landscape of digital marketing. As the online advertising arena continues to evolve, leveraging the advantages offered by platforms like Google Ads becomes imperative for businesses seeking not just visibility but strategic and measurable engagement with their audience. Do you know what AdSense is? In the dynamic realm of online advertising, two key players stand out: Google AdSense and Google Ads. While both contribute to the expansive Google advertising ecosystem, they cater to distinct roles, serving either publishers or advertisers. Understanding the nuanced differences between these platforms is crucial for individuals looking to either monetize their digital assets or promote their products and services effectively. Google AdSense is the go-to platform for individuals who own or manage websites, blogs, or forums, and aspire to monetize their digital properties. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments section about your experience. Please make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Catch you next time. Bye.